Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Officer Adda 24/7. I hope all of you are doing pretty good. So this session is all about how to prepare, right, about the AFB segment. So you know that there is a segment of AFB, right, and this AFB paper, how we have to clear this paper, what is the syllabus, the complete details of AFB, how to clear it, what strategy is to be followed, all those things. But before I begin, just quickly let me know whether I am perfectly audible or not. Quickly update me with this, whether am I audible. Okay, so if I am audible, let's quickly move and let's discuss about this session. Now see, when I talk about the complete English medium batch, there's a complete English medium batch which is starting from 7th of March. So if you want to enroll for a batch where the explanation plus the content is in English, in that case you can enroll for this batch, the link of which is given over there. And today you'll be provided with a discount of 78% if you use the code Y183. So in order to get the maximum discount of 78%, use the code Y183. So let's start. Before that, if you are new to Officer Adda, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and also share this session among your Telegram group, Facebook group, WhatsApp group, wherever your friends or colleagues are connected. Right, moving ahead, talking about the complete syllabus of AFB. When we talk about the complete syllabus, what you're required to do, see, there are 4 modules. Module A is there, B is there, C is there, and D is there. Module A has all the numerical topics, right, which are much important, because all these important topics somewhere range from 2 marks to 1 mark. So they are in the range of 1 to 2 marks. So yes, pretty important, right? Moving ahead, when you talk about the first chapter is all about interest and annuity, and this chapter is important with respect to numerical concept building, because here you will also find the concept of time value of money, and this time value of money concept will be used in future, right? So here you have a topic called interest and annuity, where you will be understanding the concept of time value of money as well, right? And this rule of 72, annuity, EMI, sinking fund, all these topics are important. And see, somewhere from last 1 or 2 attempts, they are not asking the question of EMI, which makes it very, very important for this particular attempt. So because it has not been asked in the last few attempts, last 2 attempts, basically not last 1 attempt, so you may have higher chances of being asked this time. So these are some of the important topics when you talk about module A, interest and annuity, bond and YTM. Now bond and YTM is again a very important topic where 2 marks and 1 marks question can be asked in the form of theory as well as numerical, right? So theory as well as numerical, both are asked, right? So like present value of bond, this was asked even in this exam, right? 2022, 2021, 2020. There is no such exam where you won't find a question of present value of bond, YTM. These 2 are the most important topic. You might be even asked the relationship between interest rate and bond price. So this was the question that was asked this year, right? So there are certain topics which are very, very important. You'll find so many questions from module A, which are 2 or 1 marks question. Now capital budgeting, again a decision making unit where they will be asking you to decide or to make a statement whether you will invest the money in this project or not, right? So NPV, IRR, payback, average rate of return, all these are, right, important topic. So capital budgeting, when we are talking about, there is NPV, IRR. So questions expected from this topic are more from NPV and IRR for numerical, And payback period also they can ask. They can as well ask theory with respect to capital budgeting, that whether you have to make decision or not, and so on. So these are some of the important topics when you talk about module A, followed by depreciation, where you'll find back-to-back question, 2 to 3 question in exam from the same topic, that is depreciation. So studying and understanding all the methods like straight line method, written down value method, sum of the year digit method, double declining balance method, all these topics are important. The session is already started. Sandeep Pawar and Arshdeep Singh, I hope you can see the session. I'm not sure. Are you facing some issue? Okay. Now, depreciation is one of the most important topics of module A, where you will find 2 to 3 questions. Now, this time from all these methods, there was one question. That means total 4 questions was asked from depreciation chapter itself in this exam as well, right? The recent exam. So, depreciation is also very, very important, followed by that forex. This chapter will contain 2 to 4 marks question, followed by theory as well as numerical. Both. So you'll find theory also, you'll find numerical also. Both the topics you'll find. Now cross rate question, premium and discount rate, all these are the numerical question. So cross rate question was even asked this year, the recent exam, right? Premium and discount question, forward point they can ask you, forward rate they can ask you to calculate. So all these are one of the important topics of module A. So thank you, Rahul sir, congratulations. Now when we talk about module A, what is the marking? So module A would cover somewhere 22 to 28 range, right? So the range will be 22 to 28. Moving ahead, module B, what are the important topics? Now module B is more important for half marks question, and you will find somewhere 20 to 30 questions from this module, that is module B. Why? Because the questions are of half marks. So 20 to 30 means 15 marks minimum question, so you will find only. Then there will be 2 marks question as well. So majority you will find 20 say 25 marks ka coverage from this module. Many theoretical questions will be asked from module B. Followed by accounting concepts and conventions, very important. Followed by accounting standard. Now basic accounting, this will complete the entire accounting starting from journal to completion till final account. So when I say basic accounting, this means moving from journal to final accounts. Okay. Then there are subsidiary books, bill of exchange, bank reconciliation statements, again which are very, very important because you will find 2 marks question. Now bill of exchange will have some question, like there can be 2 to 3 question, again half marks to 1 marks. 1 marks even also it is less, right? So probably the number of questions that are coming could be more, and they will be half marks question only. Subsidiary books, again, yes, you may find question from this area, maybe on impress system, petty cash book, purchase book. So yes, all these areas are important, and bank reconciliation is one such area from where you can expect 2 marks question or 1 marks question. It is a numerical based topic. Yes, you can ask your doubts, you can ask your queries. So this is basically a numerical topic, right? So directly 2 marks question will come, and trust me, this is such a easy topic that you can easily score 2 marks. I'll tell you the tricks over here to solve this question, and with the help of that trick you can easily solve this question within 1 minute once you start practicing. Now first I'll explain you can try some questions, and once you're thorough with the question, right, you will be able to solve this within 1 minute. Then module C, important topics. Now when I talk about module C important topics, so this was the list of module B only, wait. So when I talk about module C important topics, there is accounting ratio, so when I talk about module C, there is accounting ratio, right? There is balance sheet equation. What else? there is company account, right? Now, out of this, accounting ratio, company accounts, and there's one more topic, final accounts. These three are the most important chapter. Accounting ratio, company's account, final accounts. These are the most important topic. Balance sheet equation is very easy. You can max find 1 to 2 questions. 1 or 2 questions of 1 marks or 2 marks. But ahead of this, when you talk about accounting ratio, you'll find 7 to 8 questions. Company's account, it might range, it may go up to 10 questions also in certain examination. Right? Final accounts, yes, you'll find 2 to 3 questions. So module C is again very important, holding a weightage of 22, say 22 marks. 20, say 22 marks. So that is the weightage. Right? Now, module D. When I talk about module D, so your module D is basically combination of PPB, LRB plus some practical banking. Right, so your module D is a combination of some practical banking that you are those activities that you're performing in your day-to-day activity, right, in the banking operation. Then LRB में certain topics you'll find that are common over here in module D. PPB, multiple topics you'll find common over here. So module D is nothing major, but yes, the multiple circulars that are released for banks, right, you keep reading them, you follow them, you practice them. So module D is going to be easy, and you'll be able to score very easily 20 marks in this, or maybe 17-15 marks will keep. Very least, you will be easily able to score 15 marks from module D. Congratulations, Shweta ma'am, and thanks for the appreciation. Right, so easily you can score 15 marks over here from module D. Why? Because it is the combination of all these subjects. Right, so this is how you have to prepare. You have to give proper importance to module A. All those who who keep thinking that let us skip the numericals, don't do that. Numericals or theory, both are important from module A, because in order to solve the numerical the theoretical question of module A, you will need conceptual knowledge, right? So when you are reading the concept, why not to prepare for the numerical? Module B, when you talk about majority questions are only theoretical question. Only one topic, that is bank reconciliation statement, may have 2 marks question or numerical question. Module C, again important for the purpose of theory plus numerical. When I talk about module D, it is a complete theoretical chapter, theoretical module. Now, how to prepare in this area? Now, important pointers are that, there will be a detailed concept that we will cover, right, in this batch or our batches, whatever we launch, we cover the batches with the help of detailed concepts. So we discuss all the concepts in a very detailed form, starting from basic to advanced level. We won't start from 2 or 3, but from a level of 0, right? 0 to the advanced level, because that's how you understand the concept. So in order to build the concept, you need to start from 0, right? Though it might take some extra classes, but again, that's what we have. We have time because we have to prepare. So detailed concept would be there, followed by tips and tricks to solve the questions. Similarly, not only in AFB, but again PPB, LRB will be followed by all these help that the mentors would be providing you, so that you can solve the questions easily. Then special focus will be there on the numericals in case of AFB, and in case of other, you will be, a special focus will be given on case study questions. Then you will be provided with topic wise practice question and full length mock test, which are total 13 number. 30 for each, 10 PPB, 10 LRB, 10 AFB. Now, strategy, I told you what is the strategy that we are going to follow in this batch or the upcoming batch. It's basically concept, practice question, revision, mock test. Now you know the important topic as well. I have told you all the important topic, complete syllabus. I've told you which are the topic that are important, which are the topic that we have to pay attention. And again, don't focus somewhere that, let me skip the numerical part. Don't do that. If you'll skip over here, you will have to prepare it in the CAIIB. And, take a far-fetched goal that how to clear both the exams in one go. Now the process of enrollment is very simple. Either you can download Adda 24/7 app, or you can visit our web page, that is adda247.com. Once you visit this page, right, you'll find JAIIB CAIIB and click on JAIIB. Once you click over here, you'll find our English medium batches here. You can read the detail about this. This batch has a validity of 6 months. The classes will be starting from 7th of March. The unique thing about this batch or our live classes is that we believe in solving the doubts on real-time basis. We don't want that these doubts should be carried forwarded to the next day. So that is why we have interactive session where the aspirant can connect with the faculty or the mentor on real-time basis. You can ask your doubt, ask your queries, and be very clear about the concept. Why? Because we believe in concept building, right? So in order to have conceptual clarity, you need to clear your doubts. So that is why we have a platform which is giving you live interactive classes. Then these classes that we are providing in live form will be further converted into a recorded video within 24 hours, max 24 hours. And this will be provided in your account, which you can see n number of times within this duration of 6 months. Now the timing of the classes are always your, these are friendly timings. So the people who are working can manage their schedule. Like for example, the class of PPB is in the evening 7:30 to 9 p.m. AFB is 9 to 10:30, and LRB will be, I guess, in the morning 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. So all these timings are friendly to your working tenure also, right? So your working hours, buy the bilingual batch. If you want, you can buy the individual batch. Whatever suits, whatever you're comfortable with. You can buy even individual. So after that, you'll be provided topic-wise questions of each chapter, be it PPB, AFB, LRB, of all the subjects. You will be provided 30 marks of all the 3 subjects. Together of all the 3 subjects, you will be provided with the content that we are teaching you in the class. You will be provided with topic-wise practice question. Mock test will contain more than 3600 questions, and all this will come with a very, very reduced price, which is, so what you have to do, you have to basically click on view offer. Once you click on view offer, right, you'll have to use the coupon code 5183 and click on apply. Once you click on apply, you'll see you'll be given a discount of 10,000 rupees with the code 5183. Hence you will be paying finally 2989. So in order to get the maximum discount of 78%, you have to use the code 5183. Further, I'm writing it over here. The code is 5183, which will give you maximum discount of 78% along with coins. Select the coins when you're purchasing it from the app, right? Select the coins. But now you have to click on continue, fill the entire details, make the payment, and it is done, right? So this is the procedure of enrolling. I've told you the discount code, right? I've told you the procedure. This is how you can enroll and avail maximum discount, right? So what you have to do is click on view offer, use the code because this will provide you maximum discount, right? Click on continue, fill your details over here, and again continue, make the payment. So quickly enroll for the batch because these classes are going to start from 7. There is also a bilingual batch, एक हिंदी का भी बैच है जो कि शुरू हो रहा है. बाइलिंगुअल बैच है बेसिकली, वो शुरू हो रहा है 11 तारीख से, जिसका लिंक मैंने आपको प्रोवाइड कर दिया है, आप उसमें भी एनरोल कर सकते हैं, राइट? So thank you for joining in this session, and we will be meeting at the same time tomorrow, right? That is 9:30 p.m. and we'll be further discussing some other important topic with respect to JAIIB. So thank you. If you like the session, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe our channel, download Adda 24/7 app for better discounts. Thank you.